They go from right to left, flip-flop those directions if you're watching along on Flow Hockey and on WTRF, My Ohio Valley. Puck on the far side. Buns looks to swing it around. Latterroot to the far circle. Hamel look doorstep. Corsia pounds a one-timer. Far side boards. Lee takes over there. Frasca drops it through center ice. Vierling cutting in right side. A backhand to the top of the crease for behind the net. Working his way up on the left side. The drop goes to Wall. Lee got spilled. Now it's turned over. Sawchuk's going to have a breakaway. He's all by himself. Forehand shot. He scores. Riley Sawchuk with the break. Lee for Waugh, banged in. Mans carries left side, looking for Martel. Just how much better one team is than another. Not to take anything away from the great season the Fuel had, but my goodness gracious. Lewandowski to Bliss with a great eight. We're looking for a goaltender to take the ball and run with it, and Castor certainly did that, closing out the regular season and into round one. As Corsia wraparound pass for Hamel, turnaround backhander, broken up. Now Vierling pokes ahead. Koopman might have room, comes in left side, goes to the backhand, and a sprawling save. Back the line with Sawchuk for Prapavesis, giving over to the right. Sawchuk, glow in the zone, right side. Craggs does the spin, away from Drake, walking in towards the net, and he scores. Sam Craggs looking like he was just going to wind his way through down the near side boards. Corsia the steal, flips ahead, giving Koopman a short-handed breakaway to the backhand. Score! Assist on the shorty by Koopman. Rail lost his stick in an exchange with Bliss. Now Centazzo, left thought, low shot. Save made. Castor rebound.
That's what they're going to look at in the video. Go, let's attack the guy with the puck.
It's a good alert play by Craggs. Oh, look at this. Cruz dancing in alone. Fakes his way around off Castor's stick. And Centazzo tripped up trying to go towards the goal by Corsia. Walleye have it. Bliss up top for Hawkins. Back and forth with Centazzo. Hawkins with a drive on goal. Castor the set. Lewandowski down to the bottom of the right circle for Cruz. Walleye really trying to get the Nailers in tight. Cruz snapped it across. It ricocheted. Lewandowski to Hawkins. Far side circle. Turning up top is Sawchuk. Hawkins below the left dot. Wow. Along the ice with hair was that left circle shot. And a 5-on-3 power play goal makes it missed wide. But Colorado, 4 unanswered. Sveikovsky to Drake. Open look. Score! Second period, 4-2 Toledo in the lead. Prapavesis sends a bouncer. Cruz in stride. Right circle. Holy hesitation. His 61st shot of the playoffs. Next closest is 33. Oh, no laughing about that. Sawchuk from the bottom of the right circle, a one-time smoker into the top left now. Pat Mickish, but that was after Dan Watson, who had been there not only as a head coach, but an assistant coach prior. Sveikovsky at the right dot, hammers one, and that one misses wide of the net. Beliveau into the left circle. Adamo sends it low. Martel, a dangle shot. Oh, and Cruz comes up with a swing, but we'll turn our eyes. Buns comes ahead for the Nailers, leading the charge right side. Buns getting in deep, bounces it off of Letherman, and Corsia forces it in. Coming in right side. Drops it off for Latterroot, shot into the pile, blocked. Latterroot gets it back. Open man, left side, Beliveau. Corsia looks for the tip. They hack around on the doorstep. Latterroot. Top of the circle, walks down the wall, handling deep, goes up top to Lee, and over to Sveikovsky. Stepping in, right side, shot, pad, save, Letherman. Give and go with Sveikovsky. Far side, Adamo, spins it back. Lee stepping up, left side, looking over for Vierling. Pass couldn't connect tape to tape. Lee to Martel, one-time drive, save, Adamo, no look, backhand, he's sprawled down on the side. Given ahead, Adamo trying to get a step, walks in, left side, Martel, drops it, Sveikovsky on the backhand, blocker save made by Nailers have 11. Sveikovsky in deep right side, dancing behind the net, wrap around. Right point. Buns up into the air and down in front of the Bud Light Blue Line Lounge. Whoa, Sveikovsky. People enjoying their Wednesday night. Craggs coming in, right side, the drop pass, and Tazo from the dot, a high shot handled away by Graves behind the wheeling offensive goal. Corsia has it rolled to Lateroute. Now it's Beliveau going from right to left. Wrist shot, change directions. The bench for the extra attacker. Adamo curls in, left side, handling. Back to Svejkovsky at the line. Has him in. Martel tipped it just wide. Hamiluk into the corner. Rims around, wrap around stuff. Tried to find a teammate on the opposite side. Couldn't. Sawchuk ahead to do set. Right side, hesitates and spanks it in. Alexandre Doucet. Goal. That's 304-234-4625. Centazzo dodged the hip check by Lee. Here's Craggs. Oh, yay. Number 7 puts goal number 7. 10 seconds to go. Michaelian, a snapper away. Blocker to the corner by Sparks. Craggs wipes it around, and game 3 ends 7-3 for Toledo. So,